A gear pump moves liquid using two closely meshing gears inside a precisely fitted casing. The upper gear turns clockwise, driving the lower gear anticlockwise. On the inlet side, the teeth separate and create expanding spaces that draw liquid into the casing. The liquid is trapped between successive teeth and carried around the close-fitting outer wall. The meshing teeth block the central route and displace the carried liquid into the outlet. Rotational speed mainly controls flow, while downstream resistance determines the operating pressure. Real pumps retain tiny clearances, causing some leakage and heating while preventing damaging mechanical contact.